Welcome to Accessible Tutorials for Blind YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share with you about how you can view your post on Facebook. For information, every recording made and transmitted in this channel is only a voice or audio recording. Before start the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to make more tutorials to help people who are visual impaired and blind. Thank you. How I can view my post on Facebook. Many people have think about this. Sometime we will accidentally make some mistake when we want to make a post on Facebook and we will worried about it. Don't worry, I am here to help you to overcome this problem. Actually, you can view your post again even you already had sent it. You also can edit your post as well there. Now, follow the simple steps given below to view your post on Facebook. 1. Open your Facebook and swipe to your right until you find Go to Profile button. 2. Simply double tap on Go to Profile button and swipe to your right until you find Post option. 3. If you continue swipe to your right, you will find list of your post there. 4. Focus on the particular post that you want to view, and swipe to your right until you find Post menu button. 5. Simply double tap there, then you will find few options there which you can edit, delete your post and etc. Before end, if you need this tutorial in other language, you can let me know at the command box below. Please subscribe to my channel. At the same time, don't forget to give your comments, likes and share this video to your friends or to others who's needed. Hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thanks for watching.